Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into the Vetroo M05 Micro ATX computer PC case. Let's jump right in. The Vetroo M05 is more than just a computer case. It's a sleek and stylish housing for your high-performance components. Let's start with the design. The first thing you'll notice is the striking army green color option. Though it's also available in other colors like black, white, and even pink. But it's not just about looks. The mesh front panel provides maximum ventilation for your components, ensuring optimal airflow to keep your system cool under pressure. Speaking of looks, the tempered glass side panel gives you a clear view of the ARGB lighting and your components inside, adding a touch of sophistication to your setup. And with the door-open design, accessing your components for maintenance or upgrades is a breeze. Now, let's talk about performance. The Vetroo M05 supports up to a 240mm liquid cooling radiator at the top, ensuring that your CPU stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. Plus, with support for up to 8 fans, including the 4 pre-installed 120mm addressable RGB fans, you can customize your airflow to suit your needs. And let's not forget about connectivity. The powerful I/O panel includes 1x USB 2.0, 1x USB 3.0, a microphone, headphone combo, and a high-speed Type-C interface, ensuring that you're always connected to your devices. In conclusion, the Vetroo M05 Micro ATX computer PC case combines style, performance, and functionality into one sleek package. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, this case has everything you need to build the ultimate gaming rig. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy gaming!